Good morning, folks. Today I will share. Uh, I got a smart lightning. I will try install on the size and the steps in 2017 Chevy Silverado. I will install the 12 volt exterior LED light kit. Okay, this is the reason that today I will share. I got the box. They got some instruction outside the components. Okay, you can install in the fender. You can install in the steps and the radiator, wherever you want. No, but remember, don't use the lights when you still driving. It's just when you stay parking lot. Okay, friends, I will continues. I will try share all the components. They count one for the control. This one work for the Bluetooth. You let it down the applications on your phone and use the application for the control. So they got one Bluetooth control you put in the truck, and some battery connectors. Okay, I will show you in the real. Okay, I open the box. Okay, this is the LED lights. They first it come the wire goes to connect to the battery. They got fuse for any problems. The fuse protect for the sound short. This is the mile that work with the Bluetooth, the control the LED lights. This one needs to be mounted on the truck. They got two holes for you put some bolt close to the battery. Another part is the female part. They hook it up for the LED lights. Okay. The LED light is 72 inches. It's the same size that step on the Silverado. Okay, this is like a plug, regular plug, for put together the LED lights. So you take it one, plug it in another, and then I use another one. Same. Okay. They come for some clamps for keep under the steps mounted on the place. Okay, friends, we continue show how I try install the smart lighting, the 12 volts exterior LED light kit on the 2017 Chevy Silverado on the steps that use it for getting in the truck. Okay, this is the box. It's a 12 volt exterior LED light made by Smart Lighting. They say Smart Lighting. Okay, look, this is the mile, the control. They bolted off on the firewall. They got some plastic that is covered the windshield wiper. Okay, they put the mile. They got the battery. They got close. This is the fuse inline. Okay, they got two wire. This hook it up to the positive and another to the negative. Okay, and then you put the cover. With the, in this case, we take the clamps for raise it up. Let it be the firewall, the plastic firewall, and then we pass the cable under the fender cover. You take some bolts on the cover. You don't need to take whole cover out. It's just a couple bolts for make a room. Pass the wire, goes to the steps for hook it up on the LED light. Okay. For another size, this is I talk about it is for the passenger size. For driver size, you need to be past the cable under the plastic firewall. You see underneath? Okay. Okay, this goes this way under the firewall, plastic firewall. When you get in another side, you see the wire. Okay, this go underneath. You just remove the clamps on the front side. You pick it up, put the wire, and then in this place do it same way. Goes under back the fender cover. Okay, remove some bolts on the fender for make a room like that for pass the wire underneath, goes stretch to the step, loading step. Okay, how we show you. The next step is put all together, hook it up the 3 LED lights and hook it up for the wire, and then remove or peel the glue on the LED light for keep on place, and then you need to be using the plastic clamps for bolt it off or keep on place. Okay, remember this one is waterproof. So all the plugs, they got some gasket for the waterproof. It says if you wash your truck or some raining, this is special for the exterior LED. But remember, don't turn it on when the truck is driving. It's when you stay parking your home or wherever you want an extra light, turn the lights on the step. Okay, for work continues. Do the same thing in the both sides because they got a step, loading step on driver side and loading step on the passenger side. Okay, my friends. So we are already, the control is mounted on the plastic firewall. The wire go underneath the firewall, goes to the fender. You pass under the fender cover. Okay, the fender cover underneath goes under the truck. Under the truck. And under that throw, and then look at that, hook it up on the step. Okay, first thing, you peel it the glue, stick in the place, and then put the 3 clamps in each side. You seen these plastic clamps? Okay, it's just, they come in the kit. Just put it in and make a little bit hole and put the screw. That's it. Okay, my friend, remember, if you like this video, put a like, share this video, put the bell when put a new video, for some people like it. Okay, me, my friend, I will turn the lights. Okay, it worked perfect in both sides. Okay, I will put in the middle day where you can see, but when it's in the night, you see it very, very clear. Okay, look at that. Smart lighting installed on 2017 Chevy Silverado on the loading steps. Okay, my friend, look at that. Nice. Thank you, my friend.